out camping with her 3 favorite Paw Patrol dogs, but where is she?
Waffles, where'd you go?
Waffles! What in the world? In the alligator?
She's in, wait a minute, she has her campsite.
Oh my goodness!
Waffles, where are you at? Wait, I see a tail.
Back up, Waffles, back up!
She was in the alligator blanket.
Woo!
Waffles, that's
Oh
a
my
funny looking
goodness!
sleeping bag.
I bet you're glad to be out of there, Waffles.
She's looking for Paw Patrol. She's looking for Skye, Liberty, and Everest.
Oh my gosh, we better find them then.
Yeah, we gotta find them. Where do you think they are? Waffles.
Where are they?
Waffles, where did they go? Will Waggles help us? Waggles is your brother. Alright, so there is a Peach.
Princess Peach.
Alright, let's look over there, assistant. By your stand.
Ice cream, not any Paw Patrol characters.
Wait a minute, Skye's going up there.
Skye, Waffles.
Wait.
What?
Right there, look!
Everest! On a mountain.
Oh, that makes sense. Everest would be on a mountain, wouldn't she?
Snowballs. Waffles is chowing down.
Oh yeah, well, Everest had trees. Throw a snowball at me, assistant. Let's see if I can knock it back to you.
Oh, they light up.
Ow. Right. Waffles, you wanna?
She's going back down the mountain.
She wants us to take Everest back to the campsite, right?
Right. Okay. Waggles, look at Everest. And in her little sleeping bag, look. There's a little seal guy.
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, wait. It's not just a normal Everest, is it?
It's a laying down Everest. Oh, bobblehead. Bobblehead Everest.
Bobblehead. Everest, do you want to go camping with Waffles? She's like, yes. No. Yeah, she wants to go.
Okay, let's put Everest by the campsite.
All right. Oh, look, oh, Waffles, let's get back in her sleeping bag. Waffles, we gotta get.
Waffles, we gotta find your 2 other favorite Paw Patrol dogs.
Waffles, come on, let's look. All right. So, maybe Peach will help us real quick.
Yeah, Peach.
So here's your remote control.
Okay.
Will you grab the remote control?
Yeah.
And then.
Waffles, no, nothing's up there on the mountain.
And then we gotta.
Oh no!
There's Peach. Waffles, we gotta get Peach.
Waffles, look! Look, Waffles, look at this!
Now there is a chance that we just put a treat
Oh, no.
on Peach. Oh.
Well, it fell off and Waffles grabbed it.
Waggles, do you want to get it?
She's guarding it.
Come on, guys.
Oh,
Oh, look, there's
sorry. Oh,
you're running over
I'm
the tree.
trampling the tree. Ah!
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
All right, all right, Waggles, you go get the treat. Let's see what happens. All right, ready? Have it go toward him.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Peach is go. Oh, Waffles went in the back way.
Oh no. Oh, they cleaned it up. They got it all.
You guys ate all the treat? All right, Waffles. What's Peach?
Oh.
Waggles. Hi, Peach. Oh, she's looking at the camera. She's
Hello.
waving.
Bye. Hello. Okay, let's keep looking.
All right, we got to keep looking for him. All right, so Waggles, do you know where your Skye's at?
Wait, can Peach do a jump?
I don't think Peach is designed to jump off that. But
Oh.
You can try.
Oh, I can? Okay, ready? Let's move this plate. Here we go. Watch out, Waffles! We got below! That was anticlimactic.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep looking, Waffles!
Waffles, we got to find Skye.
Onward! Waffles, come on!
Let's go over here. So over here is where the Might Pup Lookout Tower is at, right?
Yes. Anything over here, Waffles? Anything over here? Do you see anything?
Wait a minute, right there. It's the lookout tower.
Yeah. Then we got all of this. And here's Skye's parking spot right here. And look, up here.
There's the lookout tower, right?
Skye!
Oh, it's Skye in her sleeping bag.
Here she goes down the slide.
Well, I think I missed it. You might want to do it. Oh, and look. Let's see if she's got a bobblehead too.
Yes. She does.
I like her little visor.
And then her little buddy in her sleeping bag is a little fox.
Is it a fox or a bunny?
That's a fox.
Okay. I'll take your word for it.
Cause look, it has a bushy tail.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. All right, let's take it back. So, Assistant plays a lot of softball. She actually plays a lot more softball than she films videos. And she oftentimes wears a visor.
Oh yes.
So it could be a Skye visor, or it could be an assistant playing softball visor.
Or Waffles wearing a visor.
We gotta go. Gotta go back to our campsite.
Ta-da! And now we're only missing one more pup.
We're missing Liberty.
Waffles, where's Liberty?
She really wants to go camping now.
She's super excited, but Waffles, we still have to find your other friend. She's going back in. Okay, let's go.
Maybe we need to go under the balloon popcorn arch. What do you think? So through here. Is anyone in this tent?
Nope. Just an ollie ball. Waffles loves these. Ready? Let's show her.
Well, the Skye over here? I mean, Liberty? She's probably at the ultimate lookout tower, right?
Yeah, probably. And that's kind of far, so we better get a move on.
Yeah, we probably should keep going. All right, so let's go through here, and then Waffles can play with that big ball, right?
I'm just kidding. She actually doesn't like it.
Oh, she doesn't?
Wiggles likes it.
Oh, it's Wiggles.
Waffles doesn't like it. It kind of scares her. So you ready?
Let's roll the ball to Waffles.
Waffles!
Waffles, you want to play with the ball? She doesn't seem to like it too much. Do you not like the ball?
Oh! Oh!
Well, I do have something that she likes.
Oh no.
It's her.
Gecko from Frozen.
Put it on the ground and let's see her play with it.
Is it on? Oh, it's on.
It's on like a Donkey Kong. Get it, Waffles.
That's like her favorite toy in the whole wide world. Oh, what? She's leading us. She's leading us.
Let's go. Come on, Wag. We gotta find it.
Oh my goodness. She went that way.
She went this way?
Yes.
All right, we gotta go through another tunnel.
She led us to the ultimate lookout tower.
Oh, she did. There's the ultimate lookout tower right there.
Anything interesting here? We have like a little, what's it, an elevator, spots where everyone can hang out. Oh, you can't see the elevator because these aren't open. How do you open it?
I don't know. You gotta open it though in order for.
Huh. Maybe, whoa.
I think it pulls out from the bottom. See that thing? The whole thing slides down like a ramp.
Oh, it's a slide.
It's a slide.
Where's the lever for it?
It's in the back. It's on the other side.
Oh, I see it. Ready? Ta-da! Then they can lift up and go down the slide.
But where's Liberty?
Up here! Liberty was watching out for us.
Okay, let's have her go down that slide.
Okay, she's gonna go right to the sleeping bag.
So there's her sleeping bag. We gotta see who's inside of it.
Okay, lower down, lift back up.
Okay. Oh, there she went. Oh, and look, her little ears flap.
Oh. Who's her companion?
I don't know. So here is Liberty. I think she's a little bit out of focus. Let me see if I can do it. She's got like she's got a trucker helmet on, doesn't she?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
So there's Liberty.
Let's see who is in her sleeping bag. Is this a deer?
It might be like a little goat.
Oh.
Here, put it in front of my hand.
I can't tell. either a goat or like deer. It almost looks like a dog, but the ears
I see
kind of.
Liberty again. So there's Liberty. Look, you can see her head. And that kind of hat's called a trucker hat. And like her ears flop.
Yeah.
Oh, Waffles is really interested in it.
Waggles.
Waggles is really interested in it.
We found everybody. Time to go back to the campsite.
We gotta carry Waffles.
Oh my gosh. Oh! She rips it out.
Take this too. She ripped out all this fur. Will you put that fur back in it, assistant?
Oh my goodness.
Look at
So
Waffles.
slobbery.
Why did you do that?
This is disgusting. It's so slobbery.
Waffles, you're dressed as Skye. Skye would not do that.
Awful stuff.
Waggles thinks she's kind of nuts.
Okay. Let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, Waffles, we gotta go. Waffles, let's go. Oh, I got a ball. She don't go get it. Here was Waffles. Through another tunnel.
Wait, if I make a noise. Okay, back to the campsite.
Some toys she just likes way more than others.
Okay, I'm gonna trick her. Ready?
Huh?
Huh. Okay.
Where'd it go, Waffles?
Okay. I don't have it.
Where did it go?
We found all your friends, Waffles. Say hi to your friends.
They're ready to go camping with you. So we've got Liberty, Skye, Everest, Waggles,
And Waffles.
and Waffles.
All ready to go camping.
So let's look at all their little heads again, right? And I like how they all have sleeping bags. Don't I hit them with a stick?
I'm bobbling their heads.
Okay, let's put them a little closer to the camera because I don't think people saw them real well. So there's Liberty.
With the bobblehead.
And up next we have who?
Skye.
Skye. With her visor on.
And this is, Everest is, they're all wearing different kinds of hats. Everest is wearing a safari hat.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm surprised
Or
she's not
bucket hat.
I'm surprised she's not wearing more of like a
Like a
beanie.
toboggan or something.
Yeah. They all have legs that can like all go up and down.
Yep, they can stand straight up and lay down.
And look, they're all wearing like checkered like pants.
Because they're in the wilderness.
That's right. They're all in the wilderness. Okay. Waggles, I think Waggles wanted to go camping too. Waggles, did you want to go camping?
Waggles isn't really the outdoor type.
No, you're a good boy.
He's more of an indoor kind of dog. He uses heating pads even in the summer.
Waffles is just looking for the
Boy.
toy. Are you looking for your frozen toy? Are you looking for your frozen toy? Yeah, you are. Okay, assistant. So we've got our campsite, and Waffles can go back into her alligator/crocodile sleeping bag, right?
Right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for Waffles and Waggles and Skye and Everest and Liberty.
That's
and bye, everyone.
Bye. Waffles, can you say bye? Say bye? You'll say bye though, right, Waffles?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.